Phambi kokuqhambuka kwentsholongwane ye-corona, abakhenkethi bebequqa bebuyelela ilebuziso wethu backpackers, kodwa intsholongwane ye-COVID-19 ifaka uninzi lwamashishini kwelicandelo phantsi koxinzelelo.
COVID-19 has taken a strain on us, local entrepreneurs, on our businesses, on our staff, on our communities, that we are not sure how the future is looking. One is even thinking maybe there's no future anymore, but we are steadfast, we are still resilient, and have hope that we will come out.
Ukunqongophala kwabakhenkethi kubangele uninzi luphulukane nemisebenzi kule ngingqi.
Lost about 20 people who are sitting at home currently. I'm running with a skeleton staff of 15. I've lost tourism students who were doing learnerships. I've lost staff which were part-time from the community, people that relied on tourists coming with their cars to park in their homes, people who were doing laundry for tourists in their homes, and people that we supported on our tours when we go out and visit communities who relied on us.
Njengabanye somashishini uMalipa benethemba lokufumana inkxaso-mali kwingxowa-mali karhulumente nejolise ekuncedeni osomashishini ngeli xesha linzima.
The slowness of the halting of the Tourism Equity Fund, it also delays tourism progress in townships and villages where you find that now museums are still closed.
Kodwa urhulumente ucelela amashishini kwelicandelo ukuba abe nomonde.
As the matter approaches its resolution in court, we appeal for patience from all applicants who have kept our lines busy seeking answers on when feedback on their application will be provided and when processing of applications will commence. We further call on those who are working with these entrepreneurs to be patient and understand that the matter is in the hands of the courts.
Umphathiswa ukuba ingubane uthi isebe lakhe liza kulwela ilungelo lokuphuhliswa ngozoqoqosho kwamashishini abantu abantsundu.
As our legal team prepares to present and represent us in yet another court battle on transformation of the tourism sector, we do so with our unwavering resolve that the fund is a necessary intervention within the constitutional values and imperatives for creation of an equal society, tangibly addressing the imbalances of our country's past.
Awukabekwa umhla uzakumanyelwa ngawo lo mba kwinkundla zeli, kodwa lisebe lifuna lo mba uqosheliswe ngokukhawuleza.